Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your card on Steam. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Have you added games to your Steam shopping cart but can't figure out where to find it? Whether you're getting ready to complete your purchases, review the games you've selected, or remove item before checking out, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our uh, Steam, and from here, you can hover your cursor to store until find there's an option like feature, discovery query, wish list, point shop, news and card charts in here. And if you scroll up, you'll find beside your wish list there is an option cart. You can just select on that. So here's all the game that you have on your shopping cart on Steam. It's very simple, right? And if you can't find the card option beside your wish list, you can try this. Before that, you can just choose on the game, one of the game. You can add the game to your card, and you'll find there is an option to view my card. You can select on that. So here's all the game list that you have on your Steam card. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check how to view your shopping cart on Steam. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!